Hello everyone and welcome to our Year 6 Leavers Assembly. It's going to be a bit of a funny one, obviously, because we're not all in the school hall together singing and celebrating, and instead the 2020 lockdown edition is coming to you courtesy of this video. It's a real shame that we didn't get to finish our year together the way we normally would, but the time we did spend together was brilliant, and I hope that this little collection of memories and messages will be something that you can look back on and smile and remember the good times we've all had together through the years. Thank you for being such a brilliant Year 6. I'm not going to waffle on like I normally do. I'm just going to say that you will all be missed. You're all going to be amazing. And I wish every single one of you all the luck in the world in everything you ever do. Please take good care of yourselves and each other and enjoy our Leavers Assembly. Take care. Bye-bye.
Well, Year 6, this is strange, isn't it? Ending your time at St Mary's with video messages. Anyway, I hope you'll all look back with fond memories, and even these last few months I'm sure you won't forget. So, I first met you all in Year 4 when Maple were in Willow class, and boy, haven't you all grown and flourished since then. We've had a few laughs along the way, and we've won a few sports trophies, haven't we? This year we were also going to add the boys' quick cricket to our collection. It's such a shame that the sporting events in the summer just couldn't take place, along with lots of other things. So St Mary's will miss you all, but please remember to believe in you always and dream big. Good luck to all of you. Take care.
To my teachers for teaching great lessons, especially my favourite PSHE. It's been sad not being able to do all the Year 6 Leavers things, but I've enjoyed coming into school the last few weeks. I'll miss you all, but I know I'll love Knights Templar. Bye.
Hello, and this is the first video that I have posted, and I would like to say that I've really enjoyed St Mary's. I had many fun lessons, had many great friends and teachers, and of course been on some amazing school trips. I've also really happy to tell you that in Year 1 I kept on falling asleep in assembly, which I find very funny. I am really upset that Mrs. Murphy is leaving, and I also hope that you are happy and well. Goodbye.
Hi Year 6, I know this has been a different way for you to end your time at St Mary's and not how I envisaged saying goodbye to you all. I've thoroughly enjoyed this year. You've all been wonderful, you really have. It's been an honour and a privilege to teach you. I'm so proud of every single one of you and everything you have achieved. Enjoy your time at secondary school, take advantage of all the opportunities you'll have, look after yourselves, each other and your families. Make sure you come back and see us and let us know how you're getting on. Take care, look after yourselves, bye!
I've had a brilliant time at St Mary's. I've made lots of friends and I'm leaving with lots of happy memories. I especially liked when we went swimming in Year 3 and 5 and when Green Team won sports day and we had our treat outside. Thank you to all my teachers, but especially to Mr. Nell. Mrs. Nell has been with us for 4 years and she is the most kind and loving person I have ever met. I will miss her very much. Goodbye and good luck to everyone in their new schools.
Well, I'm going to miss some of you. No, I'm going to miss all of you, of course I am. It's since the moment you came to St Mary's, it's been a fantastic year group and we've had so much fun together. obviously those of you who went to Hudnall Park, that was a great adventure and really enjoyed it. And I hope you do well in everything you try. And just remember, when you're rich and famous, that, you know, year 3 teacher needs looking after.
My favourite memory of St Mary's was in year 3 when we went to the Panto, because I got 5 pots of ice cream.
My favourite St Mary's moments have been going to the pantomimes and the year 3 water balloon fight and the dodgeball we did with the teachers. I've also enjoyed all the sports we've done, like cross country and winning the district cup in penalties. Good luck to everyone at secondary school, and I'll miss St Mary's.
I have enjoyed my time at St Mary's and I have made many great memories and friends. I'll miss you all. Goodbye.
Class. These are some of my best memories from St Mary's Infants and Juniors. In particular, our trips, such as Shepworth, London to the Museum and Hudnall Park. Some of my favourite moments were Mr White in the Roman battle with water balloons, Hudnall Park with all of us and teachers having fun, Mrs Schubert for encouraging me to play football and representing the school district, and Mrs Murphy for being the best year 6 lockdown teacher. I'm going to miss you all. See most of you at KTS in September, and for everyone starting different schools, let's stay in touch.
Hello Year 6, I can't believe that you're moving on, that you're going on to higher things and better things, and St Mary's is really going to miss you. You've been a fantastic year, a great year group to work with. You made year 4 2 years ago so much fun and so much easier than I expected moving back down there, and it was great working with you. You're lovely children, and the Christmas production that we did together was definitely by far the best at St Mary's. It really was the best ever, and it will be really hard to beat that, and I will always remember your year group because of the Christmas play and because of how well and how superb you all were at that time, and you made it all such fun. So have a lovely summer, have a good rest, have some fun, relax with your family and with each other, and really work hard, really do what you're good at your new secondary school, and we will really miss you. Take care, good luck, and when you're in year 9 you can still say hello to your primary teachers. Okay, bye.
My favourite part about St Mary's was Hudnall Park.
St Mary's was winning the Wicks Cup and winning cross country.
Well, what can I say, Year 6? It's been a fantastic year, or half a year. I've really enjoyed teaching you all, and I've really enjoyed watching you all grow and change so much since year 3. You've done a great job. You're all incredible and have your own fantastic qualities about you, and I'm sure that all the secondary schools are going to love you all. You're going to be very successful and you're going to have a great time. So good luck as you move through the summer and into your new year 7 challenge, but I'm sure that you'll take it on with courage and you'll do really well. So I will really miss you all, but take care and see you soon, hopefully. Bye bye.
I had so many great memories at St Mary's, but one of my favourites was being the captain and scoring lots of goals.
Well, what can I say? It's Miss Castle here. Just wanted to say what an interesting but very different year it has been. Just want to say it's been an absolute pleasure to have worked with you for the last 2 years. I'm sure you will go on to strive in anything that you do. Good luck for your future, and I'm sure we will always keep in touch. Take care. Bye-bye.
Miss about St Mary's School is all the teachers, and I couldn't pick out any favourite memories because I've loved the whole school year. I'm just going to miss everyone, like my teachers, my friends and everyone at the school. And I'm kind of disappointed to leave, but I'm really excited to just do a fresh new start. So it's going to be really exciting. I hope you all have a great year. Bye.
Throughout my time at St Mary's, I've had a lot of happy memories, mostly through sport, such as winning district sports for the first time in about 10 years, or eventually winning my gold cap through lockdown. I'd like to say a big thank you to all the teachers and TAs that have helped me throughout the time, and a special thank you to Mr Hagen for helping me throughout my sporting needs. Good luck everyone, I'll miss you all. Bye!
Just wanted to say I'm so proud how far you've come, all of you, in 4 years. It's been a great journey. You've done St Mary's proud, and good luck in your secondary schools, and look out for each other, because at the end of the day you're always St Mary's, you always will be St Mary's, and we look out for each other. So take care, good luck.
I've only had a couple months at St Mary's, then lockdown happened, but my favourite thing that happened was when Miss Simmons, Miss Annell and Miss Turnbull was doing TikTok dances. Thank you.
Hello Maple class. After the summer I'm going to Highfield. Hopefully you guys enjoy your new schools. My favourite memory from St Mary's was when in year 2 we had to push Mrs Harrison down the corridor because she couldn't be bothered to walk, but she had to tell Mrs Thomas something. Bye! Yeet!
I didn't join St Mary's until after Christmas in year 3, but everyone made me feel very welcome and I have made lots of new friends. I have enjoyed my time at St Mary's very much and will miss all the teachers, especially my year 6 teachers and assistants. My best subject, which I have really enjoyed, has been PE, and I'm looking forward to carrying on doing this at KTS. I will miss all my teachers and friends that are not going to KTS, but I'm looking forward to going to secondary school.
Hi Year 6, just a quick message to say congratulations for finishing Year 6, and also to wish you the very best of luck as you move on to secondary school.
Hope you're having a good day right now. It's pretty rough due to quarantine and everything that's going on. I have decided to share my best memory at St Mary's, and yeah, so it was when we did the marble treats in year 6, and when we went to, I think it was Hudnall Park. So I'm going to miss all of you so much and hope to maybe visit, and I hope good luck to all the teachers, to the new students that's going to be in our school. And I just wanted to give a special thank you to Miss Linnell and Miss T for remembering to do my tablet, because it's very important. So good luck all of you, and bye!
Hi Year 6, I just wanted to record a little message to wish you all the best on the next step of your journey. As Sam's mum, I can remember you all on your very first day at school, down at the infant, starting out in Rainbow class. I remember just how nervous and excited you all were, and how nervous all us parents were about you starting school. Then I saw you all again with Sam, starting at the juniors, a little bit bigger, a little bit braver, and then in year 5 I was lucky enough to be the teacher in Poplar class. I just wanted to say a really big thank you to you all You all reminded me what it was about teaching that I loved. You reminded me that I liked my job. It has been a real privilege to see you grow through all these different stages into the wonderful human beings that you are. The way you all look out for each other, accept each other's differences and are kind and considerate regardless. I couldn't have wished for a better first class to teach and a better class for my son to be a part of. As you head off to your respective secondary schools, I want you all to remember that you are all unique and brilliant, and you have loads to offer. Each one of you has huge potential, and if you keep working hard, you can achieve whatever it is that you want. So thank you again for being you, Year 6. You have been a credit to St Mary's, and I wish you every happiness and success in the world. Please come back and say hello sometimes. Take care.
To everyone, I will miss you and good luck for secondary school. But if you're going to KTS, then I'll see you then.
In Year 6, I've loved having more of a responsibility to do things and having Miss Murphy as my teacher.
Well, Year 6, Sycamore and Maple class, what can I say? Such a strange ending to a fabulous year. I'm really going to miss all of you. I've been lucky enough to work with most of you in one way or another. I know you're going to smash it at your next schools. Take care. Take with you good memories of St Mary's, and I wish you all the best for your future. Bye.
So we're going. Oh, I didn't see you there. School was pretty cool. That rhymed. I might be a rat. I might be a rhymer. It was pretty cool. But obviously now we gotta leave, which is not pretty cool. And I like many moments that I can't list. So go bye.
What you got? Hey there, lovely Year 6s. I can't believe we've come to the end of your time at St Mary's. It's gone so quickly. It doesn't feel like 5 minutes since we were in Year 3 together. You were new, I was new, nobody knew where anything was, but we muddled through, and now you're leaving us and going off to secondary school. I have to say one of my highlights of that year was the afternoon where I got to pummel you with dodgeballs for the charity dodgeball competition. Mr. White and I definitely had far too much fun that afternoon. I know that you're all going to go off to secondary school and do wonderful, incredible things, and I wish you all the best of luck with that. And Sycamore class in particular, when you're rich and famous one day, you need to say that you learned everything you know from your Year 3 teacher, Miss Scammell. Good luck, everyone.
Hi St Mary's. I've really enjoyed my time here and I have created special bonds with all of my teachers. Mr White, Mrs Boyle, Mrs Laws, Mrs Atkinson, Mrs Hinchliffe and Mrs Denoyer and of course Mrs Murphy. Good luck at your new school. I will miss you all very much and I wish I could stay for longer. I've been given the best experiences and some of my favourite memories are Hudnall Park, Celtic Harmony, Johnson Matthey and our funny moments during golden times. I've cherished the moments at St Mary's, especially as I've had the chance to come into school towards the end of lockdown. It's a very emotional time for me leaving Year 6, but I'd really like to say I will miss everyone and I hope you all have a great time in the future going back to school. Goodbye St Mary's.
The memory of St Mary's School is in Year 5 when we had to make a Viking longbow. I made mine out of gingerbread. I also remember getting shortlisted for a writing project twice. Along with that, I won table football with Jamie twice. I had a lovely time and I'm going to miss my teachers and friends lots.
My Year 6 limerick. Mrs. Simmons gave us some bread, not knowing the antics ahead. The mould was my pet, and I do regret, because within weeks it was dead. Mrs. Denoyer taught us some art, using tinfoil for every part. Not the stablest of things, but the laughter it brings, one mistake and you're back to the start. Miss Linnell was there since Year 3. She is as kind as can be. She She lifts us up when we're down, with a smile, not a frown. She's great, I'm sure you'll agree. Mrs. Turnbull always looks grand, with lipstick and outfits all planned. But when arachnids are near, she trembles in fear, and up on a table she'll stand. Sam was a boy from year 6. The teachers put up with his tricks. It was a great year, and we all have to cheer. KTS welcomes him into the mix. Thank you, Year 6, for all the great memories.
Hello, Year 6. I hope you have a really good time as you say goodbye to each other, as you set off for past is new. You certainly made an impression on me. You're all fabulous young people, and I wish you every success and happiness.
Hello, Year 6. Well, it's finally come to that point where we soon have to say goodbye to you. What a journey we've had together. You were in Year 3 when I first started as head teacher at St Mary's. So I remember, before even starting as head teacher, coming to see your Christmas nativity and being wowed by what I was seeing. The singing was amazing, the acting was amazing, and I just knew that St Mary's then would be a fantastic school to work at. And you've all wowed us with your talent over the years. We've got so many talented musicians, writers, mathematicians, scientists, so many funny characters within that year group who've made us laugh, who've knocked on my door just to say hello. Amazing manners, just some wonderful human beings. And I know that I've said that before, but I really mean it. We are going to miss you. We do wish you well. We know you're going to be amazing. We know that we're going to get the secondary schools contacting us to say, wow, what an amazing year group of children. So do yourselves proud. We know you can do it. We're so proud of you and everything that you've achieved, despite missing out on the nice things that we had planned for you. You are just amazing. So well done. Be really proud of yourselves. So for now, au revoir. Okay, enjoy yourselves this summer. Have a wonderful time and look forward to the challenge that's awaiting you in September. I know that you'll all rise to it. Bye.
Well, what can I say? I have been so lucky to have spent the last 4 years with such a lovely year group. I've enjoyed working with you and watching you grow into the wonderful children that you are today. You all have a bright future ahead of you. So good luck in your new schools. I'm going to miss you all loads.
Sometimes things don't work out quite as you planned them. Sometimes things can come apart at the seams. So when you find you need someone, a shoulder you can lean upon, you won't have to look so very far. 'Cause you got a friend in me, and forever your friend I will be, yes I will be. Someday, all of this will be just a memory. Someday, we'll look back upon it and smile. 'Cause what we saw through younger eyes, the very best days of our lives, we lived through them
Bye.